The main reason of me doing this video is because if you have a Yukon or Yukon Denali and you want to see how it looks with the LED tail lights, here goes this video. So I'm gonna install one side with the LEDs and leave the factory side on the other so you can see the difference. All right, man, this is the way the factory lights look when they're on. I'm gonna turn on the reverse lights. So look at everything and you see the difference at the end. So pretty much the lights I'll be installing on here right now are LEDs. Both sides is the same. You're gonna take off one screw there and another screw right there. Here goes both screws there. You're looking, there's some teeth on it, right? Well, those break sometime on this truck. But anyways, you gotta unclip this right here. There you go. There goes that teeth I was telling you. So this one's still good. But look at this one. It's broke already. And they broke on there, so you need to take this one out too. It's no good. Look at that. The new light comes with those, so we're good. All right, once you take all that off, you're gonna follow this wire right here all the way in there. Anyways, you can unclip that from under the truck. So let's go under the truck real quick. Right under the muffler right now. If you look right there, you can push this right here and unclip it. There it goes. Now pull this wire out now. There you go. This is the complete tail light. So this is the new LED tail light. We're gonna install the new LEDs on here. Take this bulb out right here. And put it under. Let's clean up behind it real quick. All right. It goes behind the light. All you're gonna do is see this wire here. Remember, you're gonna run it. The only reason I got this tire here so someone scratched the truck, but you're gonna run this wire way down there. All right, and then another thing, you see this box here? You're gonna take off the double-sided tape. Stick it somewhere. Gonna stick that bad boy. So it goes the new wire. You're gonna plug that wire just like that. Anyways, we're behind the light. This piece, you want to pop it off, and that piece goes right in there. Put that bad boy in there. Anyways, once you got it in there, this piece is gonna sit in there. Let me put that in there real quick. That's how you do it. There he goes. That one slipped right in there. Now all you want to do, look at those teeth. Look at that teeth. They're gonna slide right in that hole. You heard that pop? There he goes. It's in there. All right, look. This is the truck already with one brand new light on the right side, which is a LED. And this is the factory one right here. All right, man, now we're doing the driver's side. You're gonna take off the same screws on the light and the plugs in the same spot, but on the opposite side. Put the new one in. All right, this is the way they look now. I'm gonna turn them on.